Welcome back, fellow trainers. Today, we got double the trouble. It's not Generation 1, not 151. Still haven't been able to find those packs. But we don't have Generation 1, but we do have is Generation 9. And this is the Miraidon and Koraidon bundle from Costco. So, not only do we have one, but we have two of these bad boys, and I believe they come with about 9 booster packs each, so it's gonna be a good one. Don't know what packs are in these. I didn't bother to look. I just found them on a great deal, picked them up, and just hoping for the best. Let's get to the table, crack these open, and let's see what we get. Let's get started. Almost forgot to press the record button there. But Generation 9, not too familiar with I know these are the legendary Pokemon. Let me get this adjusted a little bit. But I know these are the legendary Pokemon, Koraidon. I've heard it's a great game. Super excited to open these pack. Didn't get to play Scarlet and Violet. Like I said, the last game that I got to play is Sword and Shield, but I've heard great things about Scarlet and Violet. I'm not familiar with too many of the Pokemons. I am planning to probably snag up, I think it's Legends of Arceus CY or something like that. We'll see what it's called. I forgot. It's the newest one, but I'll probably have to end up checking it out. But let's check out this Koraidon. And this tin looks pretty cool. Look at that. Not gonna lie, if you didn't get to pick these up at Costco, these were at a great deal. I think I snagged these up for like $20-something each, and for 9 packs, that is just an amazing deal. I'm trying to get this. I'm always struggling. There we go. Always just super careful with these cards. It's just a cool looking card. Look at that. This one's going in the white binder. If you've seen my previous videos, I have these all for the promo. I realized that I'm probably going to need a bigger binder, and I'm still playing around with how I'm trying to store all these cards, because it is a lot of cards, and there's a couple bulk. I'd probably not keep my bulk, but keep at least one copy of each card. But that Koraidon, look at that. It's a pretty cool card. And like I said, I don't know what cards come in here, but it's the redeem cards. Let's see what packs come in here. And there's really nothing else, just that promo. And this tin, you get one promo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. And then I believe you get one promo and 4 packs. So 9 packs in all. And we got Paldea Evolve, Silver Tempest, 3 Silver Tempest. Let's see, who are we looking for here? Let's see. I think I'm looking for the Lugia and the Silver Tempest, if I'm not mistaken. That's what I'm looking for in Silver Tempest. But let's get to opening. Let's start with Paldea Evolve. I don't know what cards are the hits in these. I'm just looking for hits so that when I do go to another card show, we have some cards to trade. And I don't know, like I said, if you haven't seen my previous videos, I got a couple hits from other packs that I've opened previously, and I didn't think that people were going to need it, but surprisingly, that's why I don't mind buying different types of packs now, because I went to this trade card, not a card show, but it was like a meetup to do trades. And surprisingly, people needed some of the cards that I had, and they had 151, and that's what I was looking for. So it ended up working out. Code card. And no card trick. We're just gonna get right into it. I don't think I've opened up Paldea Evolved yet, but let's go. Jigglytuff. We got Giraffic, the Great Ball, Rello, Sudowoodo, Grusha, Primate, Cerulege. I think that's the legendary from this region. Reverse Hariyama and Garganok. I swear these names are so hard to pronounce now. Garganok. Oh, Garganarkle, Hariyama, and Cerulege. All right, nothing crazy there. These to the side. Energy card, don't really need that. But yeah, what was I saying? Lost my train of thought there, but let's get right into it. Yeah, the names are getting harder. There's no card trick apparently to this one, so we'll just get right into it. Magnemite, Nacli, these are all new. Nimble, Shinx, I know Shinx, Maushold, Tinkatuff, Palmo, oh he's a cutie, look at him. It's a cool looking card. Palmo, Larvitar, classic, Paldean Tauros. Not gonna lie, that Paldean Tauros looks amazing. Look at that. I'm not even mad about that. Look at that artwork. That's like an insane looking Tauros, I'm not gonna lie. And Hollow Palma. So far, no hits. But yeah, oh yeah, I was talking about the trading card meetup. So yeah, so I was surprised that I had a lot of cards that people needed, and they had 151, and it just happened to work out. So that's why I don't mind opening up different packs. I mean, 151 right now, it's hard to come by, you know, like there's booster bundles that I've been seeing, but they're going for 50. ETBs, I might be the only ones, but then I don't want to get another ETB. I think I've gotten 2 so far, so. Pikachu, okay, that's a cool looking Pikachu as well. Noibat, this is Silver Tempest, so I think the hit on this one is that Lugia. Amongoose, Bravia, the Energy, Honchkrow, Ninetales, Leafeon Poncho. If I'm not mistaken, Lugia is the hit on that one. What was the hit on this one? There's no reverse. Maybe the Mongoose? I guess just a Mongoose. That's weird. Only no hollows, just a Mongoose. Silver Tempest. Let's see. And at the moment, they're saying that Silver Tempest at Best Buy are broken. They got God packs. Let's see if them. Oh no, Gengar has to be watching. Can't not miss this Gengar. Never know. We got Clink, Dratini, Wailmer, Feebas, Fampi, Primordial Altar, and Reggie. I swear these names. Regieleki V. I'm assuming Regieleki V. Yeah, that's a cool looking card. Look at that. Yeah, I'm sure the chase card in this is the Lugia, which I probably wouldn't give away, but put that there. We'll sleeve it up in a second. Tracklope, Worker, Sunflora, and the code card. Yeah, so I think the chase card here is going to be, I'm gonna sleeve this up really quick, is the Lugia is what's in the Silver Tempest. That would be so cool to pick up. We'll put the Reggie Lucky V on that side. And that would be cool to get a big pull. I think my biggest pull so far, I'm gonna say, either has to be the Charizard full art or the full illustration Venusaur. And when I pulled that full illustration Venusaur, I had no idea what I just pulled. Like I said, I'm still learning this, so Indeedee, Baltoy, Ferrothorn, Reverse, Amongoose, Energy, Slurpuff, Lance, Archon. So it looks like that. Slurpaw, whatever was the hit on that pack. All right, not bad. So just a Reggie Lucky V on that tin. Let's check out this Miraidon. Miraidon's the one that I've been seeing a lot in the new game. I know you can ride the Miraidon, so this comes in a little bit different than the Koraidon came in. Let's see. I got the code card. Sleeve that up. So now we'll probably have two of each. So one in the promo binder, and then the other we'll put in the trade binder. Maybe we find a cool spot, cool home for it. And then in here, we have, let's take a look. I didn't think I was going to be opening this many packs today, but we got Paldea involved and 2 Silver Tempest. Let's just go with start with these. Let's see if I can, I swear there's a trick to these. These are from the bottom or from the top, but never works. There we go. I just need practice, that's all it is. Code card. So the Silver Tempest has a card trick. Paldea Evolved does not. So we'll go right into it. Makuhita Magikarp. We got Slowpoke. Raichu. Gothita. Artibax. This looks like a cool Pokemon. This looks like a Pokemon that I would have in my team. Phalanx, Combi, and Weevil. And Energy at the back. I don't know that too much. Hopefully that doesn't change. Paldea Evolved. Like I said, I don't know the hits on these. Let's see if we can. You know what? Like always, guys, just grab your handy dandy scissors. Just my fear is that one day I'm gonna cut the cards. That's the only thing with the scissors. I'm gonna just snip away one of those Lugia V's. All right, Silver Tempest. Got the code card. Got Nimble. We got Shinx, Rockety. I swear Pikachu has the best artwork. Look at that. Looks like he's in Cuba somewhere. He's like on vacation, enjoying himself. And we got Raichu right behind him. Nice. We already pulled. I swear. This is deja vu. It's literally the exact Raichu, Gotha, art box. Noibat, we need a hit here. Dunsparce and Tinkaton. So the Paldean involved, no hits. Let's see if the Silver Tempest has anything good for me. Litten. So I know Litten is from Sun and Moon. I don't think I got to play this one either. They're from the Alola region, I believe. Didn't get to play that game as well. Oops. Skipped over Burners. We got the Smeargle. Keldeo. I think that was the Keldeo was that hit. So we got the code card there. And these tins are not producing much, I'll tell you that for sure. They are not giving us no hits. We got one hit and that's it. But I mean, all it takes is just one pull and it changes everything, so we'll see. So far, not good. Blitzen, Murkrow, Swablu, Rotom, Arachnid, and Unknown V. That's a pretty cool call, I'm not gonna lie. I know it's probably not worth much, but you know what? I'll take it. And a V-Star. Figured these are not worth much either, so Golbat. It's a cool looking Golbat too. Alright, so let's sleeve this guy up. I mean, a hit is a hit. Somebody might need that in their collection. You never know. You just never know. Put the V card there. And we'll go with pack number 2. Let's see if we can any good hits in these. And yeah, we'll start with this time. We'll go back to back Miraidon. So we switched it around. Now the Miraidon is in the bigger tin and the Koraidon's on the smaller tin. I already know, I'm just gonna leave that in there. And we got the 5 packs over here. So, same packs, Paldea Evolve. So Paldea Evolve and Silver Tempest are the... Like I said, it doesn't really say what packs come in here. But I figured it would be Generation 9. Did I cut the card? No, almost. I got scared there for a second. I don't know, I just struggle with these cards, I swear. Opening packs is not something I'm great at. But let's start with Silver Tempest. Let's see what we get. If we get anything good. We're searching for that Lugia. Let's go. Sandaz, Swirlix, Marini, Indeedee, Sunkern, Esper, Melodic. I think Esper was the hit. Nothing good. That's the code card. Yeah, Silver Tempest is tough. Either that or it's just these Costco bundles are not doing any good. At this point, I don't know if they're even worth it. Moga, Chimeco, Burnery, Feebas. Like, is this the hit or is it the following one? Feebas. There we go. Spoke too soon. Mawile V. I love the background. I like the background here. Not gonna lie. Another V-Star. Said I don't know what that is for. We got Glalie and your code card. Put that to the side. Let's get this Mawile sleeved up. And then the last Silver Tempest. Let's see. Code card. We got Baltoy, Clink, Petilil, Litten, Murkrow, Emolga, so I'm assuming the next card is the hit. Noivern, Dendane, Blaziken, and Morpeko. We could do the card trick, but I'll just go right into it. I'm gonna be surprised either way. Code card. Alright. Quaxley, Tinkatink, Pinchurin, Akuhita, Seviper, Paldean Tauros. So there's a water version, and I think the other one was a fire version. I don't have to separate them, but these Tauros look pretty cool. Luxio, Tarantula, Miss Magmus, and Slacking, and the energy. I did not know Tauros had those. Like I said, I didn't know about the other games. I mean, I haven't played the other games, so that's the only way I would have known. But did not know that Tauros had those different versions. Alright, we got Glimlet, we got Frigabax, Tandemaus, Sprigatito. I know this is one of the starters. He's pretty cool looking. Got Dendra, Palossand, the Raichu again. We got the Krogant, Florigato, the evolved form, and nice. Not even mad. Quackable. Look at that. All right, EX. That's a hit. And I'm assuming he is the evolved form of the water starter. He's pretty cool looking. I'm not gonna lie. He or she. It's a pretty cool looking card. I'm not gonna lie. Not even mad. Water Pokemon the water starters have always been my favorite. From Blastoise to Swampert, Greninja, of course. Can't forget about him. The one that really I didn't was Empoleon. Empoleon is not one of my favorites. I forgot what generation he was from, but I know that he was with Infernape and I think it was Torterra. Yes, Torterra and Infernape. Empoleon was not he might be down there. This water guy looks pretty cool. Not gonna lie. I probably would have taken him as my starter. I'm impressed by this one. I really like this one. Look at that. It's a pretty cool card, I'm not gonna lie. I'll take it. And I wonder what the hit is for Paldea Evolved. Curious. See if I can pull it up really quick while I'm opening this. Let's see, Paldean Fates. Paldea Evolved. We're just gonna pull that guy out. Pull him out really quick so you guys can get the code card. Put him to the side. Code card. And let's see who. Oh, okay. Now I know what the chase card is. It is the infamous Magic card. I'm not gonna lie, that Magic card looks pretty cool if I can pull that. If I had to choose, what would be my pull card? Not gonna lie, the Raichu looks pretty cool. The Tyranitar looks pretty cool. Maybe the Magikarp, yeah, that artwork is tough. It looks tough to draw something like that. So we only got 4 packs left. So far, I mean, we've gotten 4 hits. Not bad, not bad. Can't complain. Tinkaton, we got Scarledge. Chimpao has a pretty cool one. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie. Heracross might be, I'll take the Heracross. I'm not gonna lie. What's this? Paldea Evolve. I'll take the Heracross. We got Paldean Wooper. Look at that. He looks different. Noibat, Combi, Gimmet, Swaloose, Spidops. It's pretty cool. Pyroar. That's another pretty cool one. Kufin Reverse, Clavel, and Scarledge. And now we've got the Fire Starter. Code card for you guys. Scarledge EX. Let's leave this bad boy up too. I'll take this. This is a hit. This is a hit for me. Not a big hit, but it's a hit. Get him in there. Put him over here in the corner. Gengar's like sticking out here with one eye. So yeah, I'll definitely take that Heracross any day. Let's put these to the side. What else we got? Zudowoodo looks pretty cool. Who else? The Wuchin EX. Wuchin? That looks like a pretty cool artwork. Quackleval EX looks good, the full illustration. There's a lot of Florgato got a cool one. Where are all these hits? Where I'm not getting any of these. Paldea Evolved. People are sleeping on it. They've got some cool looking cards. Of course, I haven't gotten one hit. I think this is the biggest one so far. Disappointed, I guess. Nothing crazy that I've got. Sprigatito, Pelipper, Fletchinder, oops, Vigoroth, Great Ball, Sandygast, and Cerulege. And that Skellige might be the only card that I might get, to be honest. Silver Tempest. Let's take a look at Silver Tempest. Let's see what we got. I know it's the Lugia. But what are the chances that I'm gonna pull Lugia from this? What are the chances that that's gonna happen? The Regidrago looks cool. Just a lot of Lugia unknown. Let's see. Superior looks pretty cool. The Candace Trainer card looks cool. Lance, can't go wrong there. Anything that's Lugia, I'll take. Like, they all look cool. The Superior looks cool too. So I guess the hit here is the Lugia. The Ho-Oh looks... Oh, Ho-Oh V, I'll take that too. All right, let's get to it. We're almost done here. 30 minutes. Wow, we've been recording for a while. Oops, going too fast there. Dreepy and... Ooh, okay. Dragonite? I'm not even mad. I'll take that as a hit. I'm actually going to put this as a side because Dragonite's one of my favorite Pokemons. And we've been here for a while now. 18 packs, another long video. I didn't think I was gonna be opening this many packs. Maybe I should have saved one of these for another day. But we gotta open them. That's what they're made for. Emolga, Beldum, Stunfisk, Lance, and let's go slow. Victini, Jinx, nothing good. I think that was the last of it, right? No more cards, nothing more, not missing anything. So let's actually go through what we got. Let's go through our hits here. Scarletage EX. Caradine is a promo card. Maradon is the promo card. We got Regieleki V. We got the Unknown V. We got the Maui V. And then we got the Quavel EX. Not a bad day. I mean, we got a couple hits. Like I said, we're going to be aiming to trade these for 151. We're still working on completing this. I think it's been about 6-7 months. Still working on getting 151 completed. But if you want to continue the journey, subscribe, drop your comments on what was your biggest hit is my question to you guys. And then if you guys like the video, please do hit that like button. Until the next time, peace.